Immerse in the world of elegance, where form meets function and style intertwines with comfort. Picture a space that mirrors your personality, a sanctuary that's uniquely yours. This is the magic an interior designer brings to the table. Think it's all about aesthetics? Think again. A professional interior designer is a master of space planning, ensuring that every inch of your room is optimized. They are well versed in building codes, safety standards, and sustainable practices. Consider the time and energy you'll save. No more countless hours lost to browsing furniture stores or agonizing over paint swatches. An interior designer takes your vision and, with their expertise, brings it to life. And what about the cost? Most people believe that hiring an interior designer is a luxury. But did you know that they can help prevent costly mistakes? They have a vast network of resources and industry connections to get you the best deals. So why not hire an interior designer? Step into a space that's more than just four walls and a ceiling. Experience the difference of a well-designed home that's a true reflection of you, because everyone deserves a space they love. Embrace elegance, embrace comfort, embrace the magic of interior design.